Hi, I'm Carol Ann with Studio Fit of Tampa, and I'm here today to talk about different ways you can do push-ups for chest exercises. The one thing you want to keep in mind when you're performing your push-ups is you want to keep your abdominals in nice and tight. Inhale when you lower your body down towards the floor. Exhale as you push yourself away from the floor. The first push-up that you can do is on your knees with your hands on the floor, really nice and wide, focusing on hitting that chest and abs in super tight. So on your knees, you can perform anywhere between 15 to 20 reps. Then the next level up is off your knees on your toes in a regular push-up position. Again, you can perform as many as you can until you fatigue. Next, the next level is to take your feet and place them on a higher level or a bench. Again, perform as many push-ups as you can to failure. Another way that you can perform your push-ups is by using an exercise ball. Place your feet on the exercise ball, roll out as far as you can. The farther you're rolled out, the harder it is. Again, make sure that your elbows are at 90 degrees when you're coming down and you're pushing back up. And the last exercise that you can perform that's different for push-ups is utilizing the Bosu. And with the Bosu, you've got different variations. You can perform the push-up on the dome part or on the flat part. You can even perform crossover push-ups, where you're crossing over side to side. And those are different ways that you can perform push-ups for chest exercises. I'm Carol Ann with Studio Fit of Tampa.